box of the break is 2015 Panini Prizm Jumbo. Gonna have 12 packs and 4 hits, all autos. All right, 12 packs, 4 hits. 2015 Panini Prizm. Hopefully we'll get some nice color too. I see some color in here. It's a good sign. 15. There's the color. Nice. Couple nice colors. Rookie. Crap. All right. So we got some inserts and some rookies. First one for the Steelers, Jesse James, blue wave, numbered out of 150. Jesse James blue out of 150 for the Steelers. Next one, DeMarcus Ware purple for the Broncos. And looks like purple's not numbered. DeMarcus Ware purple out of, actually not numbered for the Broncos. And a Anquan Bolden red for the 49ers. And it looks like the red ones aren't numbered either. Anquan Bolden red for the 49ers. And the rookies, Brashad Perriman for the Ravens. Brashad Perriman. Vic Beasley Jr. for the Falcons. Vic Beasley Jr. for the Falcons. And Jawan Edwards for the Chargers. Jawan Edwards. So there's pack number 1. On to pack number 2. Base. Not as, oh, there's a backwards one. Probably going to be a hit. Let me throw that one to the back. Rookie. All right. Rookie for the 49ers, Blake Bell. Blake Bell for the 49ers. And that is not numbered. I think that was a refractor, though. For the Rams, Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley for the Rams. For the Broncos, Shane Ray. Shane Ray for the Broncos. For the Colts, Philip Dorsett. That is the gridiron card. And auto number 1 goes to the Steelers, Jesse James. Not numbered. Jesse James for the Steelers. Not numbered. So there's auto number 1. Looking for 3 more. 10 more packs left. See a little bit. No, I guess that's not any color. A die cut. A few die cut ones. All right. Couple die cuts for the Patriots. Tom Brady. Die cut. Not numbered. Tom Brady for the Patriots. Another die cut. Larry Fitzgerald. And again, not numbered. Larry Fitzgerald die cut. And another die cut. Air Marshals. Tom Brady again. And again, not numbered. So 3 die cut cards in 1 pack. Tom Brady. The rookies, Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. Marcus Peters for the Chiefs. and Leonard Williams for the Jets. Next pack. See some color. That's a good sign. A backwards one. Alright, let me flip that to the back. And another die cut card. This one's Dan Marino. Actually a nice looking card for the Dolphins. And again, not numbered. Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Some color. Got Carlos Williams purple. And probably not going to be numbered. Nope. Carlos Williams for the Bills purple. Looks like just the base rookies now. Shane Carden for the Bears. Yep. Kind of looked like the Broncos for a minute, but that's the Bears. Shane Carden for the Bears. P.J. Williams for the Saints. And Max Williams for the Ravens. Max Williams. And hit number 2. Oh, nice. A nice one. Green auto for the Falcons. Vic Beasley. Oh, even nicer. Numbered out of 50. Nice low numbered. First round pick. Vic Beasley for the Falcons. Green auto out of 50. Nice hit. I think we got 8 packs left. 2 autos remaining. Get the base out of the way. Here's a die cut. And another base. Alright, die cut for the Panthers. Cam Newton. Cam Newton for the Panthers die cut. Nice rookie for the Titans. Marcus Mariota. Marcus Mariota rookie for the Titans. Landon Collins for the Giants. Landon Collins. And Kevin Johnson for the Texans. Kevin Johnson. And I think this is pack 6, so at the halfway mark. See some shiny stuff. A backwards one, so there's going to be hit number 3. Let me flip that to the back. A couple rookies. Rookie for the Bears, Kevin White. Kevin White. Rookie for the Bucks, Kenny Bell. Kenny Bell. Rookie for the Browns, Danny Shelton. Danny Shelton for the Browns. And auto number 3 for the Jags, Ben Koyak. Numbered out of 150. Ben Koyak for the Jaguars out of 150. And we have 6 packs left, but only 1 auto left. So, hopefully we see some nice color along the way too. I see a blue one in this one. There's a backwards one. That's going to be the last hit, probably. There's a green one and a blue one. All right. Green parallel for the Jaguars, Blake Bortles. And it looks like green's not numbered either. Blake Bortles green, not numbered. Got a blue one for the Ravens, Justin Forsett. And that one doesn't have a numbering on it either. So maybe just the ice ones are numbered. Looks like all the colors aren't numbered. Maybe they're short printed. Justin Forsett blue for the Ravens. Rookies, Buck Allen for the Ravens. Buck Allen. Jalen Strong for the Texans. Jalen Strong. Eddie Goldman for the Bears. Eddie Goldman. And I was expecting an auto. This one was backwards. Just a base card of Roddy White. Not sure why they had it flipped around backwards in the pack. So a fake out auto or non-auto. See some more color. And got a die cut. And some rookies. Die cut of Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. Deshaun Jackson. Eric Dickerson for the Rams. I think that one's a red one. Eric Dickerson for the Rams, not numbered. Rookies, Eli Harold for the 49ers. Devin Funchess for the Panthers. And Darren Waller for the Ravens. Alright, so 4 packs left. Still one more auto remaining. Here's another backwards one. Flip it to the back again. And I see color, and I see Prizm or ice color. So this one should be numbered. Jeremy Maclin for the Chiefs, red ice or whatever they call it, out of 99. Probably they call it a Prizm parallel. That would make sense since it's Prizm. Jeremy Maclin red Prizm out of 99. Rookies, got Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. Devontae Parker. Dante Fowler Jr. for the Jags. Brian Bennett for the Colts. Brian Bennett. Reporter card. Oh, and auto number 4. Nice one. Gold auto. For the Steelers, Sammy Coates. Gold is nice. Numbered out of 10. Nice one. Sammy Coates, gold auto. Numbered out of 10. That actually looks very nice being the Steelers have yellow. Nice one for the Steelers. Alright, so we have 3 packs left. All the hits are gone. But hopefully we hit some nice color. Get these base out of the way, and we do have some color. Jelston Fowler for the Titans. I think he's the fullback. Jelston Fowler. I think he actually had a catch last night too. For the Titans, green. Oh, nice. Amari Cooper blue for the Raiders. Not numbered. Amari Cooper for the Raiders, blue. Base rookies, Bryce Petty for the Jets. Amir Abdullah for the Lions. And Tony Lippett for the Dolphins. So 2 packs left. Let's see if we can get some more color. Another die cut. We've already seen this die cut. Tom Brady. See if this one's numbered. It's not. Same die cut. Tom Brady. Prizm Prizm, Devontae Freeman for the Falcons, not numbered. Base rookies, Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Amari Cooper. Brett Hundley for the Packers. And Vince Mail for the Browns. So, last pack, empty box. Hopefully we see some nice color. I see a flame parallel. Rashad Green for the Jaguars, tie-dye. Oh, nice. Numbered out of 25. Had a nice kick return last night, too. Actually, pretty much won the game for the Jags with that kick return. Rashad Green for the Jaguars out of 25. Nice low numbered. Base rookies for the Bills, Carlos Williams. For the Browns, Josh Shaw. For the Bengals, sorry. Josh Shaw for the Bengals. And J.J. Nelson for the Cards. So that does it for Prizm.